Let's install a one-way solenoid valve on the 1250 model. Well, the first step is to open the left door of 1250. Found the pump. Disconnect the plug-in connector. Then use scissors. Cut the right inlet pipe of the pump. Cut at a position approximately 7.5 to 8 inches to 100 millimeters away from the water pump. Then install a clasp on each side. Now plug in the solenoid valve plug. One connector connects to the power plug. The other one connects to the water pump. Insert both ends of the solenoid valve into the water pipe, with the arrow pointing towards the water pump. Then, put the water pipe back in place.